This 2025 Jayco Pinnacle 3.8 FBRK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Milford, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 43 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 4, microwave, external shower, spare tire kit, LP detector, stovetop burner, oven, auxiliary battery, slide-out, TV, smoke detector, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Jayco Pinnacle 3.8 FBRK is 14,995 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.